Hello guys, today I am going to share PHP PDO CRUD with Ajax Jquery and Bootstrap. This is the interesting table. Firstly, I am saying if you like to make this table, you can download all kinds of source file from my website 100% free. Just see my video description and you can see first line in download source link. Okay, no problem. So now I am just see how this table work or what is the benefit in this table. Uh, this is the all kinds of database information, first name, last name, and also update and delete option, and also create records. You can see this is the DJ first name, last name portal. You can update this name. Like if you click update, then you can change here. What do you change? Rashid Sarkar. Then click update. Okay, you can see DJ portal or changed now Rashid Sarkar. If you like to delete, no problem, just click delete option, press OK. After few times it will be deleted. Already see just deleted. And also you can create new records like what do you write, no problem, love, first name love, you, last name, click create option, then you can see first name love, you. Okay, now I'm going to share how this table make this option. And also already I'm saying if you like to make this table, must be you have to create some database and some also like a database index and action and this kinds of information. No problem, just see my video description. Then you can see just a download source link. If you click there, then you will go my website. This is my website. Just scroll down, then you can see download source code. If you click here, then you can download all kinds of sources 100% free. Also you can specifically copy all kinds of link from here, no problem, index, and that's the action. Okay, and if you scroll up, then you can see demo list. If you click here, then you can see all kinds of demo in my website. This is very interesting. There are a lot of demo here. Now I'm discuss about this table. You can see view details and view demo. If you click view demo, then you can see this demo list, demo. Okay, this table is a demo. That is very interesting. So guys, no more talk, let's do. Everybody know, if you like to make this table, must we have to go or C drive, then jam, then std docs. This is my 17 table now. Already I am made this folder. This is the database, and now I am create index. Okay, index.php. Very interesting. Now I am typing all kinds of coding of index. Just see, guys, already I am typing all kinds of source link of index, you can see. And also you can change your this title name, like from here. This is the title name. You can change any kinds of title. Then this is the HTML link title. Okay, you can change this title, no problem. So if you just finish your typing all kinds of coding, just click file and press save. That's done. Now we are creating action. Action.php. Okay, now I'm typing all kinds of source code for action. Guys, already I'm typing all kinds of coding of action PHP. This is the you can download from my website. Already I'm saying that. if you complete the type, that click file and press save icon. Already we are complete our table. Now we are check. Everybody know if you like to check our table, must be you need just create a new tab, then type localhost, then table 17. Okay, press enter. Already we are type everything. Okay, that is very interesting. You can change, you can update, delete, create all kinds of sourcing from here. So guys, if you like to make this type of video, must be subscribe my channel, and also if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. So no more today. Thank you very much.